For 10 years, Factory Connection in Pittsburgh, Kansas has been a shopping staple in downtown, but soon the store will face closure, marking the end for this branch of the popular fashion chain. On December 15th, the store will say its final goodbyes and lock its doors for the last time.
Like, you're losing another store that was fairly affordable for people that can't pay a lot for clothes, and it was cute clothes too.
This follows the closure of 2 nearby locations in Parsons, Kansas and Mountain Home, Arkansas. The owner of the neighboring business, Jock's Niche, was relatively unconcerned with how business on Broadway would be affected by the closure of the store.
I'm sure we'll be okay, but it's not going to help matters, and hopefully we can get a new neighbor in there at some point that has something else going. Definitely will be a blow to things a little bit. I mean, they had their segment of customers, definitely for sure, that would probably visit the other businesses while they're down here. So anything we can make a nice shopping experience for multiple places is better for everybody.
A cause for customer concern is the lack of affordable clothing options that will be available nearby once Factory Connection closes its doors.
So yeah, this was about the only place that I actively shopped because it was affordable, as I said, affordable, and it's got cute stuff that's in my style, and it's not as expensive as most of the other places.
The exact cause for closure is currently unknown, as store management has declined to interview. For CAPS 13, this is Trinity Haynes reporting.